For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Palantir Technologies recently revealed that it has entered into a major agreement with the nuclear company, aiming to leverage artificial intelligence to significantly enhance the development and construction of nuclear power facilities across the United States. This groundbreaking partnership signals a shift toward data-driven approaches in the energy sector, where artificial intelligence is expected to play a central role in shaping the future of energy generation. Following the announcement, Palantir stock experienced an increase of approximately 1% in pre-market trading, reflecting investor enthusiasm about the strategic implications of the collaboration. As part of this newly formed alliance, the two companies plan to jointly create a specialized artificial intelligence software system named the Nuclear Operating System, commonly referred to as NOS. This platform is specifically intended to support the construction of nuclear reactors and help transition nuclear energy development into a more structured and predictable endeavor. Rather than relying on outdated methods, this new approach is centered around transforming the reactor construction process into one that is guided by continuous data collection and advanced analytics. Through this transformation, both companies aim to lower construction costs, improve safety standards, and shorten the timelines required to complete these massive energy infrastructure projects. According to reporting from Reuters, the nuclear company is expected to pay Palantir approximately $100 million for its contribution to this effort. Mike Gallagher, who oversees defense-related work at Palantir, stated that the long-term stability of energy in the United States and around the world depends on the ability to implement cutting-edge technologies on a massive scale. He described the agreement with the nuclear company as a historic milestone, noting that it represents the first time Palantir's software will be used to advance the development of the next generation of nuclear energy systems. Gallagher emphasized that integrating Palantir's operational platform with the ambitious plans of the nuclear company establishes the foundation for creating intelligent, secure, and highly resilient energy infrastructure throughout the United States and in other regions as well. This announcement arrives at a critical moment when energy demand in the United States is rapidly accelerating. One of the driving forces behind this surge is the explosive growth in artificial intelligence and the increasing number of energy-intensive data centers that are essential to support these technologies. The digital economy is becoming more reliant on artificial intelligence algorithms and machine learning models. This in turn leads to a dramatic increase in energy usage, creating urgency for sustainable and scalable energy solutions like nuclear power. In response to this escalating energy need, President Donald Trump recently issued a series of executive orders with the goal of expanding nuclear energy capacity. These executive orders call for the deployment of 400 gigawatts of nuclear energy production by the year 2050. Additionally, they mandate that at least 10 large nuclear reactors begin construction by the year 2030. These directives are part of a broader plan to streamline regulatory processes, strengthen the nuclear fuel infrastructure, and jumpstart the broader rollout of nuclear energy across the nation. Palantir pointed out that at present, China holds the lead in terms of total nuclear plant capacity, which underscores the strategic importance of expanding American nuclear capabilities. Palantir's strong performance in the stock market during 2025 underscores the optimism surrounding its future prospects. The company's share price has climbed by over 89% this year, a trend that many investors attribute to the likelihood of the company securing additional contracts with the United States government under the Trump administration. There is growing belief that Palantir's role as a technology partner for national security and infrastructure makes it a prime candidate for future government collaborations. In addition, a wave of enthusiasm from retail investors who are particularly drawn to companies involved in artificial intelligence has further boosted Palantir's stock. Although commercial revenue has not yet experienced major acceleration, confidence in the company's long-term potential remains high. Earlier this week, Palantir's stock price reached a new all-time high of $147.67 before retreating slightly into a modest loss by the end of Wednesday's trading session. Looking back at the previous year, Palantir's stock had already seen remarkable growth. In 2024, the company's shares rose by an astonishing 340%. Much of that surge took place after Donald Trump secured his victory in the presidential election, further reinforcing the connection between Palantir's growth trajectory and government leadership. The Denver-based software company currently offers three primary platforms that serve distinct market segments. The first, known as Palantir Gotham, is designed for use by government agencies and is frequently deployed in defense, intelligence, and national security operations. operations. The second platform, Palantir Metropolis, supports financial institutions such as banks and hedge funds, providing tools to analyze complex financial data and detect patterns. The third and most widely used commercial offering is Palantir Foundry, which is tailored to corporate clients and enterprises across various industries. Foundry is also the platform that will serve as the base for developing the new nuclear operating system. Its architecture enables organizations to integrate, analyze, and act on vast amounts of data in real time. From a technical standpoint, Palantir's stock exhibits exceptionally strong performance indicators. The company currently holds a relative strength rating of 99 out of a maximum possible score of 99, a metric that reflects how well the stock has been performing in relation to other publicly traded companies. Furthermore, the stock has received an accumulation and distribution rating of B+. This rating evaluates buying and selling activity over a 13-week period, offering insight into institutional investor behavior. A rating of A+ signifies heavy accumulation, while a rating of E indicates strong distribution or selling. A C rating is considered to be neutral. In addition to these metrics, Palantir's composite rating stands at 99, which is the highest possible rating. This score combines 5 separate proprietary ratings, including earnings, sales, and profit margins, into one comprehensive measure. Growth investors often look for companies with composite ratings of 90 or higher when selecting stocks. Another important metric to consider is Palantir's 21-day average true range, which currently stands at 4.64%. The average true range, or ATR, is a measure of stock volatility and provides insight into the typical range of price movement within a trading day. Stocks with higher ATRs tend to be more volatile and can trigger sell signals or cause investor anxiety during sudden swings. On the other hand, stocks with lower ATRs tend to move more steadily. According to Investors Business Daily, a recommended ATR value for most stocks is 8% or less, which means that Palantir's current ATR falls comfortably within the acceptable range. Altogether, this strategic collaboration between Palantir and the nuclear company marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of both the energy and artificial intelligence sectors. By merging data-centric platforms with the complexities of nuclear construction, the two companies are not only positioning themselves as industry pioneers, but are also addressing some of the most pressing challenges in modern energy production. As the need for cleaner, scalable, and more reliable energy sources grows, this partnership could play a key role in shaping the infrastructure of the future. In the end, Palantir Technologies has partnered with the nuclear company to develop an artificial intelligence-driven platform called the Nuclear Operating System, designed to streamline nuclear reactor construction across the United States. This major AI initiative aligns with growing energy demands fueled by data centers and the expansion of artificial intelligence applications. With government support for nuclear energy increasing and strong momentum from investors, Palantir stock has surged in 2025, driven by confidence in the company's potential to win more federal contracts and lead in AI-powered infrastructure solutions. This collaboration highlights Palantir's expanding influence in the artificial intelligence and clean energy sectors, reinforcing its position as a top-performing AI stock to watch. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.